Hi, Brad at Tenshon here. This video is about lead lines, but before we get to that, let's talk about an ideal sail installation. When installing a sail, it's best to connect the sail corner directly to the attachment point with tensioning hardware. Here, you can see a sail corner attached to this pole with a turnbuckle. This is ideal. When we use the term lead line, we're referring to anything that lengthens the distance between the corner of a sail and the attachment point. It could be a length of wire rope or chain. Using a lead line in a sail installation is not ideal. First, they make it more difficult to get a sail properly tensioned. This results in a loose sail that will flap in the wind and wear out prematurely. Second, it makes it more difficult to get proper height variation, resulting in a sail that's flattened out. This doesn't look as good and reduces the sail's ability to shed water. So if using lead lines isn't ideal, then why do people do it? That's a really good question. Here are several possible reasons. First, the sail is too small to connect directly to the attachment points. For example, a person wants a small sail over the middle of their backyard, but wants to use the house and the back wall as attachment points. The only way to make that work is to use lead lines. Okay, quick side note. Attaching a sail to a wall or a fence is not a good idea. Seriously, don't do it. A strong gust of wind could pull it over. Also, if you want to attach to your house, you should really consult an engineer. Okay, let's get back to our list. Next, an attachment point can't be in the appropriate place due to environmental constraints. Suppose someone wants a shade over part of their pool. These three corners are fine, but there's something where this pole needs to go, so they move it further back and use a lead line. And finally, the design doesn't allow for appropriate pole placement. Look at this design. Here's a square sail with an overlapping triangle. Notice that this corner of the triangle is above the square. A lead line would be needed to attach the corner here. If using lead lines isn't the best choice, then how do we remedy the examples I just gave? In the first case, the problem can be solved by installing new attachment points closer to where the sail will be. In the second case, the answer is to change the design. Either use a slightly different sized and shaped sail, or change the location of the poles. Redesign is also the answer in the third case. Notice that by rotating this triangle, we can move the problem corner so it's no longer above the square sail. Another option would be to change the shape of the triangle so the corner could attach here. If you need help avoiding the use of lead lines in your shade project, let us know and we can help. Well, that does it for this video. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.